What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we have a fitment video. It's an upsize project for the Royal Enfield Standard, and here you are looking at the size comparison between the stock size 325/19 and 110/19. So this is your stock tire Ceat Secura Sport 325/19, which comes as the rear fitment. So many of the users have complained that it is not so comfortable riding on them. So my friend here who wants to upsize is going for the Ralco Speedblaster 110/19. So you can see how broad this one is. Let's see how this project goes. A lot of users have doubts if they can upsize their bikes to 110/19. So let's show you how it goes. I have also made a video with the other broader tire options that you can fit on Royal Enfield Standard and Electra, so you might as well check them out. So you can see them side by side here, the Ralco Speedblaster compared to the stock tire. So let's get started. To tell you one more thing about these tires, these are tubeless tires, so you will require an additional tube with them. They definitely can be fitted on the stock spoke rims with an extra tube. So in case your old tube is in a good condition, you can definitely reuse them, or you can get an extra tube. The typical sizes available in market for tubes is 350/19 or 90/19. They will definitely go good with 110/19. You don't have to worry about it. So here we are actually fitting a new tube along with this tire. It's 90/19. So it's on the stock rims. You can see the width of the rim here. So the most common question I get asked all the time is if my bike can accommodate this size of 110/19. The answer is yes, if your bike is a very latest model. Right now we are fitting at a 2021 model. If your bike is a very old model like the 90s one or the 80s one, the top size you can accommodate is 350/19, or in some cases 190/19 is also doable. But other than that, 110/19 might touch the edges of your swing arm and it won't be a good fit for your bike. So I recommend check with your mechanic to see if your bike can accommodate the new tire before ordering the tires. So let's show you how much space there is even after fitting this tire. So in case of a puncture and the tire goes flat, it doesn't rub against the swing arm and make it difficult for the rider to roll the bike. So I'll just show you how much space there is. Like you saw, it was pretty smooth there. We didn't have any rubbing issues. We had adequate space between the swing arms and the tire, so it's good to go. Now we are set to fit the front tire. The rider has opted for Michelin Sirac Street 325/19 for the front. He didn't want to upsize on the front, so we are going with the stock size, and Michelin, it's the best in the market. Guys, if you need these tires, we do ship pan India, so you can call or WhatsApp us in the number below. We have also mentioned our Instagram IDs. You can also ping us there or follow us for more content. Definitely do subscribe to our channel, like the video if you like the content, share this video with the friends who are looking forward to upsizing tires on their Royal Enfield Standard or Electra. It'll definitely help our channel. Stay tuned everyone, stay safe, safe riding.
Bye.